much. We appreciate you. Let's take it to today's Talk of the Heartland, where we begin with a question. How long have you been putting off seeing the doctor? This weekend, get a few free screenings for you and your family while also having a good time. The free Community Health Resource Fair is this Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Dorothy Miller Park in Metropolis. That's next to Harrah's Casino. You can meet with local healthcare providers and receive free healthcare screenings. There will also be free car seat checks, plus games, activities, and door prizes. We are so happy to have Shauna and Chase here with the event. How are you both?
Pretty good.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
And yeah, thank you for taking the time to be here. That's really the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what's all available at this fair. So Shauna, I'm going to start with you. Why exactly are we doing this?
Well, we live in a health desert. We've talked about that several times, and a lot of times the people that are in our area have to travel 50 to 100 miles just to get basic care. We wanted to make sure the people in our region know who their providers are and have a chance to talk to them about what's available here at home.
And you're wearing a great shirt. Tell us more about what the Cancer Warriors Walk for Hope ties into all this.
Sure. Well, the Cancer Warriors Walk for Hope actually started as a walk in our region a few years ago, and we decided, not to just focus on just cancer, which the walk did, but to make it a well-rounded healthcare event for all ages. And Chase, I'm going to pull you in here to talk a little bit about how big of an impact do you see something like this make?
Oh, I think it makes a big impact, and one of the biggest reasons is because so many folks, to me, don't know what resources are out there that's available to them and their families. So this event is a great way to come out and find out what's around you. And we want people to come out and have fun, but we want folks to walk away and learn what resources are there for them and their loved ones.
And we also mentioned at the top of the interview, getting a health screening, not just for you, but your family. Your health can also have an impact on the people around you. Do you often see people pushing to put their health first at events like this?
Yeah, I think so. We've done this will be our third year, and I feel like we see that each time we've done this, and it's wonderful to see. So that's why I think this is such an important thing to take part in.
Okay, guys, Chase, lay it out. Saturday, who's going to be where? How many different types of vendors are we talking? Different healthcare providers?
Yeah, we have a lot. We have, I think we spoke a while ago, I think around 37 vendors. Wow. And we have a little bit of everything from providers, family medicine, to folks that can help you with insurance, to vendors talking about cancer resources, just a little bit of everything, actually.
And Shauna, do you often find that this opens up a lot of solutions for folks who have a lot of questions maybe about insurance or the cost of these services? Do you find it kind of like a burden put at ease?
It does, because this is one of those events, it's again very open, it's a very relaxing opportunity to talk with providers, and like Chase said, we're going to be doing all kinds of screenings like blood pressure screenings, colon cancer screenings, and so it just gives them an opportunity to meet those providers right here in our area, one-on-one, and outside of that clinical setting.
And outside of the clinical things that we're talking about as well, kids who come with their family, we're talking about like bounce houses and stuff like that?
Oh yeah, we got bounce houses, we have door prizes, games, and just I know with all the vendors, they'll have a lot of goodies and prizes themselves. So as a kid, if you're coming out, there's a lot you can get from this.
And we also want to mention that the first 100 guests do get a free lunch provided by Big John's in Metropolis and Aetna Better Health of Illinois. One of the things we're excited about, we have our inflatable colon out there. It's a 20-foot inflatable colon for them to get in. Yes. It's a monster. That will be there, and one of our vendors is actually bringing a 6-foot operation game. So there's a lot of fun stuff that's going to be taking place.
I appreciate you both taking the time to be here, sharing this with all of us so much. I also want to mention too, just the need around that area is so great as well with these resources. Local restaurants I've seen on Facebook opening their doors, giving free meals as well. It's incredible how the community does come together. Thank you both for taking the time to be here.
Thank you.
Here's that information one more time on your screen, the free Community Health Resource Fair this Saturday in Metropolis. You can find everything else on KFVS12.com. We'll see you back here in just a few more minutes.